Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I've got lots of lathe work and I've got some welding work, some aluminium TIG welding. I repair some old motorcycle crankcases. I get some decent arc shots. I put quite a bit of that in. I'm sure you'll find it interesting. I'm going to get straight in and do the draw for the little Banggood step drill. There's only me here, so I'll have to do it. No wife and no steak and no daughter this week, so a good rummage around. There's a few names went in this week, about 20 I think. Right, there's a one. I've still got quite a few prizes that haven't been claimed actually, and I've emailed people, so name I've got here is Mark Henderson. Right Mark, all you need to do, send me an email with your address on and I'll get that posted off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. But with a name like Mark Henderson, it sounds like a UK. I'm going to do another draw this week. This time it's a draw I've already done. It's a little 1-inch motor right micrometer that Bob reconditioned. I did a video. Bob did the micrometer up. It's in real good condition, calibrated and set up. It hasn't been claimed, so if you want a chance at winning that, 0 to 1 inch, motor and right, in really good condition. As usual, all you have to do is send me an email with your name on it. That's my email up there. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, you win a prize. As I keep saying, it's just a little way of me saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had with this YouTube channel. I've had a real good response as far as the double boost hats, cups and polo shirts are concerned. The link's still in the description box at the beginning of the video. If you click on the link, it'll take you to a shop where you can buy some double boost merchandise. It helps me run the shop, and I'm hoping to get back to America next year with Debs to the bash, so I'm trying to raise money for that. Anyway, thanks once again for everybody that's actually bought something and helped us fulfill my dreams, I suppose. Anyway, thanks once again. I've got a job to do here. It's a roller of some sort of wood butchering machine. I think that sandpaper that goes over the back of there. It did have brass butchers in there and the butchers have worn out, and that's a pin that goes through it. The pin's worn as well. This that went in there, and then the pin goes through there and it's got a flat on to stop it from revolving. So what I think I'll do, I'm going to bore this out in the lathe. And I've got some aluminium bronze there. I'll make 2 butchers out the aluminium bronze, push them in, drill them, ream them 12mm, and then make a new pin. I'll probably put a drill in through the pin as well so you can get some oil into the butchers. And that's what I'm going to do with it. It's obviously looks like it's some sort of imported machine. It's basically, there's enough metal there to do the job, no more, no less. And then we'll set it up in a chuck, get it bored out, and so we can get it all sorted out for them. I don't want to damage the face of the pulley, so I'm just going to put some aluminium strips in. We don't need to hold it that tight. That's all we're going to do is a light boring job on it. With some thin strips of aluminium, a little nip on each one. What I'm doing, I'm looking at the lines on the chuck. These ones here to see where it actually is. That one's on that line. That one's a far side of that line. So if we line the lines up first, or at least get it somewhere near. That one's a long way away. Except the shims fall out, right? Right, so it's not a million mile away. Just come this way a little bit. Right, we'll put a clock gauge on and get it clocked in. We've got 70,000 run out. We'll find the highest point, which is that one there. So we need it to go across that way. So we'll loosen that jaw slightly, tighten that one, push it across. Once again, the high jaw, which will be the same one, which is basically that one. We'll loosen, tighten. Hydro again, which is that one. Couple of foul there now. It's actually not round, so you're just trying to get a compromise now. Yeah, that's within 1/1000 of an inch, I think, for wood butchery it'll be alright. Within 1/1000. Right, I've got a nice little boring bar set up. See, it's running nice and true. Then I've got a little vibration on this because the boring bar's sticking out that far. I don't want passing out and clear over screws and screws so that I can make it a little bit quieter. Feel the vibration on the screws. Right, I've slowed it down again, and this time it is making a very, very slight amount of chattering, but it's a lot better. It's put a much better finish in there as well. It's going to take it a while to go through there, but we'll go. I've run the boring bar through there twice, both directions. It's put a reasonable finish on, and the hole in the fuse should be the same size at both ends. We shall find out. Right, it's never making a difference. You're getting 17, 17.4, 5 at that end. $17, 4.2, 4.3. That's in a funny hair in it. I'm just going to make these buttons a push fit into that aluminium roller, and then I can glue them in with bearing fit, Loctite them in. More velocity than that, I think. Better. This is nice material, this. As long as you haven't got to try and file it by hand, it's very, very slippery. Just told a little bit to come off it. A little bit. There's a twice cut once. This should be the last cut. Taking very little off this time. Let's see what the clamps is. I'm sure it's on size. certainly is. I think a very light polish will be good to go. Like I say, I don't want them to be a tight fit, I want to glue them in. That's just what I need, just the donkeys. That's a strange saying that when people say just the donkeys. And it's just a donkey's knob or just the job. So I'm going to part that off, then I'm going to put it into a smaller collet, drill it and ream it. I'm happy enough that the collets are accurate enough to hold its tolerance. No doubt I get complaints about that as well. I love these collet trucks, but I hate this spanner. Once again, we're using Banggood tooling, Banggood drills, they're doing a good job. Right, this drill, it's an imperial drill, but it measures at 0.2 under 12mm, so that should be good enough to get the 12mm reamer through. So I'm doing a V40, it'd be nice to lubricate this with, but I haven't actually got any here, believe it or not. Right, so that's a reamer all the way through. So now we should have a nice 12mm hole through there. Right, that's the bar I'm going to use, and that's the bush. It's a lovely fit on there, that's going to be nice, that'll run in just nicely. Just want to cut that in half now. I've got my new shop heater running. Obviously it's just in a temporary position, but I'm actually using it to warm up that roller. It's actually at air out there, it's coming out of there 60 degrees. It's going to warm that up at 52, we'll warm it up to 60 and we'll push the bushers in. I'm going to do a review on this heater, but up to now I'm very pleased with it. Doesn't use a lot of fuel, a little bit of noise but nothing excessive, and it's lovely and warm in here, absolutely t-shirt warm. Right, we're just about ready. you've had a quick wash with acetone or brake cleaner, a little bit of Loctite on them. Oh Johnny, a messy bastard, man. That's quite warm, that. So hopefully these should just basically drop in. Not quite drop in, but not far off. Excellent. Settle for that. Lovely. Right, time of truth, see what sort of... Oh, and that's absolutely the dog's bollocks, that's beautiful. And this is actually a bit of stainless steel, and it should run in with the aluminium bronze bushes, no problem at all. And I will drill a hole through it and cross through it so we can pump some oil into the inside of it, and that should basically run for a long time. I'm really happy with that, that's nice. I was going to make a new cross shaft for it, but the shaft's actually in good condition. I've polished it up, the little marks came out, it's a really nice fit in the bushes. That's going to be no problem at all. It has got 2 circular grooves and a little flap machine down, so I'll just leave it the way it is. I want to drill a hole so far up with and cross drill it, just so you can put an oil can in there and squirt some oil up between the bushes, and a bit of oil. Those aluminium bronze bushes will last for a long time. Shaft hard. It's actually going to tip on the end, it's just push that drill off centre. It's better. It's actually been drilled off centre. Keep this straighten it up. Let's pull it across. It's a small drill, don't need it. Massive hole through there. Once again, the Banggood cobalt drills are doing the job for us. You did see how we've used all the tools that I put my aim against, and I'm certainly doing that. That should probably be enough. 2, 3, 4. Got 50 mil of wool in there. Noise on that bastard says. I've actually break through the centre as well, so that'll be fine. You'll be able to put the oil can on and squirt some oil through into the bearings. Just like that. Right, that's it back together. Feels nice. Quite enjoyed doing that. I like repairing things. I don't like to see things. And if this would be mine, I would have made a complete new pulley or a new roll out of aluminium and put proper bearings in. But I don't think it runs that fast on it. I think it's for a wood butcher and sander, belt sander.